Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll be showing you how to delete default lists on WhatsApp. This updated process will help you customize your chat interface, removing any unnecessary clutter and focusing on what matters most to you. If you're aiming for a clean, minimalistic look or want to prioritize specific conversations, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. This is your starting point for customizing your chat lists. Next, locate the chat list you wish to remove. These could be the default lists, like unread or groups. Now, long press on the list you want to delete. A menu will pop up, presenting you with a few options. From the menu, select Delete. This action will prompt a confirmation message to ensure you really want to remove the list. Confirm your decision by tapping Delete again. This will remove the list from your WhatsApp interface. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a default list on WhatsApp. This streamlined interface can make your WhatsApp experience much more efficient and tailored to your needs. If you ever want to restore a deleted list, you can easily do so through the app's settings menu. This flexibility ensures that you can customize the app to perfectly suit your preferences. By removing filters you don't find useful, you create a more organized and efficient communication experience. This is particularly beneficial for business users who want to prioritize chats based on customer or order-related conversations. Deleting a broadcast list will remove it from your WhatsApp and prevent you from sending messages to that group of contacts using that specific list. Remember, managing your WhatsApp contacts is essential for maintaining an organized and efficient communication experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Customizing your WhatsApp interface is a great way to enhance your overall experience and make the app work best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.